What's up, man?
Not that much, man.
Do you want a water?
Sure.
Just pour some in here. These are the new fiber cups. Drink up. You spilled it all over my freaking table. Now, since we have the new fiber towel, it's no sweat. Where did my friend go? Yo, what's good? Oh, I see you got that coffee.
Drink some coffee.
No. Let's go. It's coffee on the table. It's pretty good coffee, like.
Thanks. Hope you liked it.
Get some more.
Thanks.
What is
But
it
you
made
didn't
of?
know that it was Maxwell House good to the last drop. With 38 loads.
I'm gonna go.
Oh, yo, that was good.
Good. I've been texting you. You haven't been getting them.
I need to call my mom.
No, it's
See, she's calling. Let's stop.
no, it's not. Since this is a new LG light, it doesn't break. You can call your mom. It did not break. Isn't it good?
Yo, what up, mom?
Is it good?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, hold on.
Let me talk to her. Is it good here?
Yeah, it's good. Shut up, man. Yeah, I know. There's pump, right? Yeah.
Can I talk to her?
She said they want to talk to you. Alright, tell her. She said she don't want to talk to a loser, punk loser like you, man.
No, give me the phone. Give me my phone. No, I need my phone now. I need my...
Yo, man, I appreciate the water.
Yeah, that water, man, that's that new stuff.
Oh, yo. I'm so sorry.
Now, I don't even have to use this. I got a new product. Would you like to see what it is?
Sure.
I got a new thing. Would you like it?
See, it wasn't even loaded.
Bye. Peace out. That's our video.
F Dizzle.
Well, yeah, that's our video. Real life commercials in here. Come on, boy.